In this problem, you have an aircraft connection, and it's got forces P and Q that you know, and FA and FB that you're looking for. And you're told this object is in equilibrium. So let's do a traditional X, Y axis, no reason to be fancy. And then we just break every force, known and unknown, into components. F net X. We have Q, and it's making a 40-degree angle with the vertical. So this would be the X, positive X component, but we're using sine. So Q, sine 40 degrees. Now we got FA. That is going to be a negative X component using cosine 50.